Today, I'm going to be talking about 7 can't-miss trends about technology. These are the trends that I believe are going to have the biggest impact on our lives in the years to come. So, what are these trends? Well, let's take a look. The rise of artificial intelligence and its impact on our lives. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly developing technology that has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. AI is already being used in a variety of ways, from powering self-driving cars to helping doctors diagnose diseases. In the future, AI is likely to become even more pervasive, and it could have a profound impact on our work, our leisure, and our relationships. It is important to be aware of the potential benefits and risks of AI so that we can make informed decisions about how to develop and use this technology. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are two rapidly growing technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and the world around us. VR immerses users in a completely artificial world, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. Both technologies have a wide range of potential applications, from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare. VR and AR are still in their early stages of development, but they have the potential to change the way we live and work. In the future, we may use VR to train for dangerous jobs, learn new skills, or even experience different cultures. AR could be used to improve our productivity, provide us with real-time information, or even entertain us. The possibilities are endless, and it will be exciting to see how VR and AR develop in the years to come. The future of cellular network technology. 5G uses a different frequency spectrum than previous generations of cellular networks, which allows it to transmit data much faster. It also uses a different technology called MIMO multiple, input multiple output, but allows it to send and receive data from multiple devices at the same time. These features make 5G ideal for applications that require a lot of bandwidth, such as self-driving cars and virtual reality. Self-driving cars need to be able to communicate with each other and with infrastructure in real time, and virtual reality requires a lot of data to be transmitted to the headset. 5G is also expected to be used for a variety of other applications, such as streaming high-definition video, augmented reality, and remote surgery. The Internet of Things. How connected devices are changing our lives. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of physical objects that are connected to the Internet. These objects can be anything from smartwatches to refrigerators. The IoT has the potential to make our lives more efficient and convenient by automating tasks, collecting data, and providing us with insights. For example, smartwatches can track our fitness data and remind us to take medication. Connected refrigerators can order groceries when we're running low, and smart thermostats can adjust the temperature in our homes based on our preferences. The IoT is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. As more and more devices become connected to the Internet, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of the IoT. Quantum computing, the future of computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that is based on the principles of quantum mechanics. Quantum computers are much faster than traditional computers, and they have the potential to solve problems that are currently impossible to solve. For example, quantum computers could be used to break encryption codes, develop new drugs, and design new materials. Quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Some experts believe that quantum computers could be as powerful as 1 million traditional computers working together. The development of quantum computing is a major scientific and technological challenge. However, if successful, it could have a profound impact on society. Blockchain, the future of transactions. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that is used to record transactions. It is a secure and transparent way to track transactions, and it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. Blockchain is best known for its use in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, but it has a wide range of other potential applications. For example, blockchain can be used to track the supply chain of goods, to manage medical records, and to vote securely. Blockchain is still a relatively new technology, but it is rapidly gaining traction. It has the potential to make our world more efficient, secure, and transparent. Big data, the key to unlocking insights and advancing innovation. Big data is the collection of large and complex data sets. It can be used to gain insights into human behavior, improve decision-making, and develop new products and services. Big data is used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and transportation. For example, in healthcare, big data can be used to track patient data and identify trends. This information can be used to improve patient care and develop new treatments. In finance, big data can be used to analyze market trends and make better investment decisions. In retail, big data can be used to track customer behavior and improve product recommendations. And in transportation, big data can be used to optimize traffic flow and improve safety. Big data is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize many industries. As big data continues to grow, it will become even more important for businesses and organizations to understand how to use it effectively. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on the 7 can't-miss trends about technology. These are just a few of the many exciting technologies that are emerging, and I'm excited to see how they develop in the years to come. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching